Hello everyone, and welcome to a Quantum Healing and Beyond video production. My name is Candace Craw-Goldman. I recently had the great pleasure of trading quantum healing regression sessions with my friend and colleague, Alice Mixer. Now, Alice and I talk shop when we get together, of course. And one of the things we were talking about was how we help our clients practice or prepare for their quantum healing sessions. Many clients have concerns about the ability to visualize or have an experience in a regression. So we, as a rule, do a little practice with our clients. So when we were trading sessions, Alice and I, she allowed me to experience her practice routine. And after you listen to my practice session, you'll have a chance to do a little practice yourself, in case you want to try. All right, here's my practice session with Alice Mixer.
Practice session. This is just interactive. It's just for fun. Okay, put your head where you want it. You might want a pillow. You might want not. Normally we have a footstool, but just get in a comfortable position. Are you warm enough? Yeah, let's just get the blanket a little more close there. Okay. Okay, so just go inside and let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so this is just for practice. It's just for fun. And I'm going to ask you to see some things. And if you don't see them, just imagine them. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Some people see things, some people imagine things. You know what these things look like. If I were to say to you, see a red bird, could you see one for me?
Yes.
Okay. See a yellow flower.
Yes.
What kind is it?
It's the little black-eyed Susan I brought in.
Okay. See a blue car. What kind is it?
I don't know, some sort of one from the 60s. Very boxy and weird.
What shade of blue?
Like a sky blue.
Is it metallic or non-metallic? Is there any metallic to it? All right. Very good. See a dog and a cat. Tell me about them.
It's Maynard and Diane. Diane was my wonderful gray tabby we had for 16 years, and Maynard was a Cocker Spaniel we had for a long time too.
Okay, I want you to see them as if you're with them right now. We're going to focus on one at a time. Which one first?
Maynard.
Okay. Maynard's a boy, and Maynard's a
Cocker Spaniel.
Cocker Spaniel. Okay. I want you to let me know when you can see into his eyes.
Okay.
Okay, look into his eyes.
Mine is weird.
What color are his eyes?
Brown.
Okay. Allow yourself to connect your energy with his. Feel into his soul. Let me know when you feel connected.
I'm connected.
Let me know if he has a little message for you. It could just be a word or feeling. What is it?
He says, I had so much fun.
Very good. Anything you want to say to him?
I miss you, Maynard.
Okay. Allow yourselves to just...
I didn't know I missed him.
Allow yourselves to have that moment together. Because he's here, he's still here. They're always here. And let me know when you're ready to move to the other animal.
I'm ready. She's waiting on me.
Okay. And go ahead and look into her eyes. What color are her eyes?
Green.
Connect your souls. Just allow your souls to connect. Let me know when you feel connected.
Me too.
Let me know if she has a message.
Yeah, she's telling me that that we are all part of a feeling family. And that's why I loved her so much.
Anything you want to say to her while you're connected?
Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't feed you better.
See what she says.
She said she had a wonderful life and that food wasn't a priority and it was okay. And she understands.
Very good. Can you let that in? Is it in?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll enjoy the moment with them. Let me know when you're ready to let that go. To let them go.
Yeah, I do, but Diane's kind of like got a PS. She's like,
Yeah.
she's indicating that the feline energy will be significant, if not obvious, in our session today.
Very good. Mm-hmm. Anything else from her?
No.
Okay. So releasing the animals. Now I'd like you to see yourself standing in front of the front door of the place where you now live, the main entrance to the house. You're standing outside the front door. You're just standing there looking at the door. It's closed. What color is the door?
Green.
Looking down where your feet would be, what is the surface like?
Dirty. Concrete and dirty. It needs to be swept.
All right. Just release that judgment. Let me know when the judgment's gone.
Okay.
Looking down at your feet, what, if anything, are you wearing on your feet?
My keen sandals.
Okay. Putting your hand out on the knob or handle, how does it feel?
Cool and metallic.
Okay. Good. Inside now, the door's closed behind you, but your back is to the door, you're just standing there. Is there a closet nearby?
Yes.
Is it to the left or the right or straight ahead?
There are two closets, one's to the right, one's to the left.
I'd like you to go to the one that you're drawn to.
Okay.
Which one is it?
One to the right.
Okay, standing in front of the closet now, I'm going to ask you to do something that might sound a little strange. I want you to open that closet, and in it you will see something unexpected. Something that isn't normally there. Well, just let me know what it is.
It's a little elf. Oh my goodness. It's a little 2-foot tall elf looking up at me.
Can you describe it?
Male. He's got an absolute shit-eating grin on his face, looking up at me like, I've always lived here, you're just now noticing me.
Is there anything you'd like to ask him?
What's your name?
Let me know what he says.
Alvin? Okay, Alvin.
Ask him what his message is.
Remember to laugh. He's doing like he's got like a little beard. He's going. Remember to laugh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's hysterical.
Anything else from him?
No, he like waves at me and he sits in the corner. Okay. He says, "I'll be here anytime you need me."
Okay, so we're thanking you, Alvin.
Thanks, Alvin.
We're releasing him.
Oh my gosh.
We're letting him go. He's still there. He'll be there.
Yeah.
Whenever you open that closet, you'll probably think of him.
Forever, I'm sure. Oh gosh.
Okay, let me know when you're ready to move on. There's no hurry.
It was a lot of fun doing the practice session with Alice. It was a lot of fun meeting Alvin. And Alvin actually came back, and he was in the regression itself. And sometimes that happens in the practice. So what I thought we would do now is have you practice. So here we go. We're going to do a practice much like Alice's. practice for me. So find a comfortable place to sit or lie back and just take a few deep breaths before we get started. We're only going to spend 2 or 3 minutes doing this, so not to worry, it's not going to be a long time. This is just a little practice for you. So imagine yourself standing in front of your home, wherever that is, in front of your door, the door to your home, the place where you come and go every day. Just be right there in front of your door. And what does your door look like? What material is your door constructed from? What does the surface feel like? What color is it? And the handle to the door. Imagine its shape. Imagine what it feels like in your hand. And while you're standing there, before going in, look down at your feet. What do you see? You can even wiggle your toes and look down and see what that movement looks like while you're standing there. But now it's time to walk into your home. So open the door. Does it make a sound? What does it sound like when you close it? Just close it behind you. And then turn around and face the inside of your home. And somewhere nearby is a closet. Just find yourself moving towards the nearest closet to your front door, wherever that may be. Imagine as your feet travel the space, the surface of the floor, maybe even some of the things that you pass in your home as you make your way to your closet. And stand in front of your closet. And for a moment, look at that closet door and handle. What is that like? And now it's time to open up the closet door. And when you open it, there will be something surprising in there. Something unexpected. What is it? What is in your closet that's not normally there? Take a moment and really consider what it is that you see. Take in all the details. And now it's time to close the closet door and come back to everyday consciousness. And when I count to 3, you will be back to everyday consciousness, back to where you were before you began this little experiment. 1, 2, and 3. Well, how was it? How did you imagine your door, your home, your closet? However you remembered, imagined, or pretended that you were there doing those things is how you will gain your information in a regression. And that surprise in your closet, very often that can be very telling about your life, and things you're thinking about right now. It was really interesting when Alice did my practice before my regression to meet the little elf named Alvin in my closet, because he ended up having a lot to do with my real regression. And let me tell you, I'll never open up my closet the same way again. I hope you found this practice helpful, and I want to thank my good friend Alice Mixer, not only for the wonderful practice session, but the wonderful regression we had, and the amazing connections that we made, the information that we learned. Okay, that's all for today. Until next time, this is Candace Craw-Goldman for Quantum Healing and Beyond.